Let's trace the path of a bill from idea to law in California, a structured multi-stage process designed to provide many opportunities for revision, public input, and rejection. Every bill begins with an idea, which can come from a legislator, a constituent, an interest group, or an agency. The sponsoring legislator submits the concept to the Legislative Council's Bureau, which drafts it into formal bill language. On the day of introduction, the bill number, author, and title are read on the floor. Then comes a constitutional cooling-off period. The bill must wait 30 days before any action can be taken, allowing for public review. Next, the Rules Committee refers the bill to the appropriate Policy Committee. At the committee hearing, the author presents the bill and brings witnesses to testify in support. Opponents get equivalent time. Committee staff prepare an analysis explaining current law, what the bill would change, and its likely fiscal impact. Then the committee votes. Here's an important detail. A majority of the full committee membership is required, not just a majority of those present. That means an abstention effectively counts as a no vote, giving chairs a procedural tool to kill bills by managing attendance. If the bill has a fiscal impact, and most significant bills do, it must also clear the Appropriations Committee. Bills that survive committee go to the floor, where they're read a third time, debated, and voted on. Most ordinary legislation needs a simple majority of the total membership, but urgency statutes, which take effect immediately, and any revenue or appropriation measure require a two-thirds vote. Then the bill crosses to the second chamber and goes through the entire committee and floor process all over again. If the second chamber amends it, the changes must go back to the House of Origin for concurrence. If they don't agree, a conference committee of 3 members from each chamber negotiates a compromise. Finally, the bill reaches the governor, who has 30 days to act. The governor can sign it, veto it, or let it become law without a signature. A veto can only be overridden by a two-thirds vote of each chamber, which is so hard to achieve that the veto is effectively final. Most laws take effect on January 1st of the following year, while urgency statutes take effect immediately. The governor's review window creates a concentrated burst of executive decision-making at the end of each legislative year, when hundreds of bills land on the desk at once.